Do you want your affiliate YouTube channel to grow faster than 95% of creators? In this video, I'm going to reveal the exact content ratio the fastest growing affiliate channels use and show you how to structure your videos so you can start making money faster. If you're serious about growing your channel and earning commissions, this is for you. The fastest growing affiliate channels aren't random. They follow a simple content ratio. 60% searchable tutorials, teach your audience how to solve problems. 30% curiosity, click-worthy videos, make viewers curious and click. 10% case studies, results videos, show proof of what works. This ratio ensures you're getting steady traffic, building authority, and converting viewers into buyers. 60% searchable tutorials. Tutorial videos are the backbone of your channel. Example topics: how to start affiliate marketing, best affiliate programs for beginners, Shopify, tutorial, step-by-step why it works. These videos target people already searching for solutions, also called buyer intent traffic. Pro tip: include keywords in the title, description, and tags to rank faster. Curiosity videos create clicks and watch time. They make people wonder and want to learn more. Examples: why 95% of affiliate marketers failed, the truth about making money online. I tried AI tools for affiliate marketing and this happened. These videos build your personal brand and authority, while keeping viewers coming back. 10% case studies. Case studies are proof videos. They show that your methods work and encourage people to take action. Examples: I tried affiliate marketing for 30 days. How I made $1,000 my first month with YouTube from $0 to $5K using only free traffic. Case studies are short, punchy, and motivational. They also work great for social media clips. Here's how to apply this ratio fast. Step 1. Plan 10 videos at a time using the 60-30-10 ratio. Step 2. Use a mix of tutorials, curiosity, and case studies in your content calendar. Step 3. Repurpose your long videos into shorts for TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts to attract new traffic. This approach keeps your channel consistent, discoverable, and profitable. So remember, 60% tutorials, 30% curiosity, 10% case studies. If you follow this ratio and stay consistent, your affiliate channel can outpace most beginners and you'll start seeing real commissions. If this helped, smash like and hit subscribe to Everything Happens for Us for weekly strategies on affiliate marketing, free traffic, and fast channel growth. Join the crew, turn on notifications, and tell me in the comments which video you'll make first: tutorial, curiosity, or case study.